AI is everywhere in tech right now. It can write code, debug apps, and even generate projects. But here's the thing, there are some skills that it can't do. And if you master these, you'll always have an edge in your career. So today, I'll show you exactly what those skills are. Hey, if you're new, you might be saying, who is this guy? My name is Zazo. I've been coding for over 10 years and I've been in the tech industry for over 8 years at this point. So today I'm gonna let you in on some secret skills that AI cannot replace, at least yet. Let's get into it. The first one is going to be communication and collaboration. Think about it. AI can generate lines of code, but it can't explain why it chose a certain solution, persuade a team to follow your specific approach, or bridge the gap between tech and business. Engineers who can clearly articulate complex ideas, break them down for non-technical people, or even advocate for the right solution will always stand out. This is about translating technical work into real impact. So the next skill is problem solving and critical thinking. AI can definitely suggest answers, but it doesn't understand the bigger picture. It doesn't weigh the trade-offs, consider constraints, or understand the specific nuances of the user's needs. The ability to take a vague problem and design an efficient solution, that's purely human. This is why developers who can think critically and approach challenges strategically are irreplaceable. The third thing is creativity and innovation. AI can generate ideas, but it can't envision completely new architectures, invent novel features, or create a product that feels fresh and human. And why is that? That's because AI is based off of everything that has already been done. So when it comes to breaking into a new path, a new wave, a new concept, it doesn't know how to think about that. And I don't know where AI is advancing, and maybe it can get there, but as of right now, it's not able to basically create completely brand new ideas and solutions that haven't been created before, which humans can. Humans can think outside of patterns and innovate in ways that machines just can't compete with. If you want to future-proof your career, nurturing creativity is a must. Now, the last, but definitely not least, is leadership and emotional intelligence. So an AI can't mentor a junior engineer. It can't negotiate priorities or inspire a team during a tough sprint or, a tough feature. Engineers who combine technical skill with empathy, mentorship, and influence will rise to the top because people still lead people. So yes, AI is transforming tech jobs left and right, but it will not replace humans, not completely at least. Focus on what machines can't do, like communication, critical thinking and problem solving, creativity, leadership. Master these and no AI will be able to replace your career. This is gonna be the end of the video. If you like the video, then go ahead and like the video. Subscribe to the channel. Love, peace, and chicken grease. I'll see you on the next one.